Lychee, a jewel of the subtropics, Lychee chinensis, a captivating little fruit with a complex history and a flavor that tantalizes the taste buds, is a true gem of the subtropical world. This round, ruby-red orb, native to southern China, boasts a unique appearance, a refreshing taste, and a surprising versatility that has secured its place in cuisines and cultures across the globe. Unveiling the lychee's exterior. Imagine a miniature world where a ping-pong ball has transformed into a fruit. That's roughly the size and shape of a lychee. Its most striking feature is the rind, a bumpy, leathery shell that ranges from a vibrant pinkish red to a deeper, more crimson hue. This rough exterior, though not edible, serves as a protective barrier, safeguarding the delicate treasure within. Peeling a lychee is a satisfying experience. A powerhouse of nutrients. Beyond its captivating flavor, the lychee boasts a surprising nutritional profile. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for immunity and overall health. Just one serving of lychee can provide a significant portion of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. The lychee also offers a good amount of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. It contains antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A versatile fruit for many tastes. Here are some of the many ways to incorporate this delightful fruit into your diet. Fresh. This is undoubtedly the most popular way to savor the lychee's unique flavor and texture. Simply peel it and enjoy the juicy flesh on its own. Juiced. Lychee juice is a refreshing and flavorful beverage, perfect for a hot summer day. It can be enjoyed on its own or blended with other fruits for a more complex flavor profile. Canned. Canned lychee is a convenient option, especially when fresh fruit is out of season. The lychee is typically packed in a light syrup, preserving its sweetness and making it a refreshing snack. Dried. Dried lychee, also known as lychee nuts, offer a concentrated burst of sweetness and a chewy texture. They are a delicious addition to trail mixes, granola bars, or yogurt parfaits. Culinary applications. Lychee's versatility shines in the culinary world. Its sweet and tart notes complement savory dishes like stir-fries, salads, and curries. It also adds a unique twist to desserts such as sorbets, cakes, and mousses. The trees themselves are evergreen and can grow up to 30 meters tall. However, due to the delicate nature of the fruit, harvesting lychees can be a labor-intensive process. This has fueled the development of transportation and storage techniques, allowing lychees to be enjoyed further from their regions of cultivation. A global delight. Today, lychee is a beloved fruit across the globe. It's a staple ingredient in many Asian cuisines and is gaining popularity in other regions as well. Its unique flavor profile, impressive nutritional value, and versatility make it a true gem of the fruit.